Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today, we're going to do a box opening of one of my favorite tools here inside the basement of Villa Feliz, and that is the DWE74992 DEWALT Table Saw. And at the same time, what we're going to do a debunking. I've read some reviews online that say that a particular brand of DEWALT table saw rolling stand is not compatible with the particular model that I just talked about, and we're going to see, is that actually true? Well, let's find out. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Get started, I just want to do a little bit of a clarification because you're probably confused. James, you just said that the DWE7492 table saw is your favorite saw, but you just did a box opening. How can you say that it's your favorite tool if you just open it and you haven't had any time or experience with it? Well, I have had a lot of time and experience with this particular brand of DEWALT table saw, the DWE7492. The thing is, it was so popular that the contractor across the street who's building the house directly across the street from us, he liked it so much he wanted to purchase it from me for the project that he's working on right now. And he said, I'll go ahead and pay you. Go ahead and get another one, replacement. You don't need it right this moment. I said, okay. And this gives me the opportunity to do a missed box opening when I first got the DWE7492 several months back. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a box opening. But at the same time, I was looking for a rolling table saw stand to go along with this particular model of a table saw. Now, when I went online and I was looking for a good, dependable rolling table saw stand to go with the DEWALT table saw, I thought, why not start with DEWALT? So I found the DWE74911 rolling table saw stand. And when I went through the reviews inside there on Amazon.com and other places on the internet, there were many people that were saying that this table saw stand is not compatible with the DWE7492. And I thought to myself, I wonder why. But then also I saw that there were other people that were saying it is compatible. So in today's unboxing and then assembling and seeing if they're compatible, we're going to find out. We're going to debunk all those questions and answers that say that the DWE7492 table saw is not compatible, or it is compatible with the 74911 rolling table saw stand. Now let's start with the box opening of the table saw itself, and then we'll do a box opening of the table saw stand, and then we'll see, do they work together or not? Well, you can see from today's episode that the box opening of the DWE7492 had minimum parts inside that you need for assembly. Everything is right there in the box. The table saw is all put together, and you just have a few little things that you need to connect on it to get going and start working inside your tool shop. Also, you saw that the DWE74911 rolling table saw stand works perfectly with the 7492 table saw. No problem whatsoever. It only took 4 screws and bolt assemblies to bolt it on there, and it fits like a charm. So there goes the debunking. It definitely does work. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until the next time from right here in the beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.